Hey guys, it's Dean Desrosiers here. I'm a licensed realtor in the Okanagan in British Columbia, Canada. And one of the things I've noticed is that a lot of realtors want to start vlogging. And one of the things my partner and I were looking at, we're trying to figure out how to get some videos and maybe do some podcasting. And so I bought the Samson Q2U microphone. Actually, you can see it right here. We're recording this video on the microphone. And I have two of them, and I thought I would unbox it just to show you what's in it, show you how I set it up, and just to give you a sense of how the sound works, because we're going to use this for our two-person podcast. And I thought it would be fun to do an unboxing because I see them online and I see some of the people doing it. I'm thinking that might be fun to kind of do that, to see if I could do it, stare at the camera and say the right thing. So first thing is, it comes in a really nice box. So this is the, you don't get to see this when you order it on Amazon, but it's a Samson Q2U. And the box actually shows everything that's in it in the back. And what this comes with is an XLR cable, which is the cable that you use for hooking it up to a soundboard. It also comes with a USB 2 cable. It comes with a stand. It comes with a sponge cover, which is sort of acts like a pseudo pop filter, and then the microphone itself. And it's all in a really nice packaging, and it sort of comes in. It looks like this, and the microphone's right in the center. It is the star of the show, so the microphone comes in and it's nice, wrapped nicely. When I opened up the microphone, the first thing I noticed right away is it's quite heavy. It's a very heavy microphone. It has a little rubber band around the mic part here. There's an on and off switch. Your volume controls, I don't know if you can see it right there, so up and down in volume. And if you look at the back, you can definitely see that they have the XLR, which is those 3 pins. There also is a slot 3.5 millimeter jack for your headphones, and then the USB connector, just a regular USB connector. And I've got that set up and hooked in, just plugged into my Mac USB. That white connector there is actually my headphones. I did a sound check with it, and I think it's working quite well. So that's what it comes like that way. So we'll put that back in the spot, and now the box itself, just wonderful paper box. And on the one side, you have the cables, and the other side, you have this little foam guy here, sits on top of the mic, stops you from spitting on it too badly, but I guess at the same time it's going to act as a pop filter. So when I use my T's and my P's, hopefully it doesn't pop too bad. The mic holder itself is got a plastic threads in it, just to show you that. Not that bad. Doesn't look like great quality, but actually this little stand that they have that's got the 3 legs that come out, and I have to say this actually for a plastic item feels really solid. And I'm using it right now, and I'm glad that I didn't buy a fancy stand because it gives me a chance to see the quality of this one. The XLR cable is quite long. It's a good cable. It's got a male and female end on it, which is great, and the USB cable. So to give you an idea how this mic works, this is a Samson Q2U. I've never tried any other microphones before, but this is really close, and this is really far. And what I noticed about this mic when I did a lot of the YouTube videos online to look at people comparing it to the ATR, the Audio-Technica ATR 2100, was that this one had a little bit deeper sound. And I just like those deep, rich sounds. I find that they sound more professional, and I thought I would give it a try. So there you go. That's my first unboxing video, and thanks for watching. Have a great day. And if you're a realtor and you have any questions about doing podcasts and stuff like that, just send me a note. I'm easy to find. Type in my name, and my email's on the internet everywhere. Or respond below this video.